How does sex toys fit into a married couple in the bedroom?
It's the same as how does a refrigerator or a microwave fit in a Christian home?
Exactly. Yeah.
And the answer is, well, it benefits my life.
Mm,
It makes my job in cooking or cleaning easier. Well, sex toy is exactly the same principle.
mm,
It's a piece of technology that is designed to benefit your life, to make certain aspects of your life easier. And it's as simple as that. The moment that you want to put morality
onto that.
onto a in object like a sex toy or microwave or then what are we doing?
Mm.